Vendor shot dead during drive-by in downtown Kingston. Man dead after being hit by vehicle on Otrius Bypass Road. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A vendor of a Tulip Lane, Kingston 14 address was shot and killed by unknown assailants along Bond Street on Sunday, April 28. The deceased has been identified as 39-year-old Leroy O'Sullivan. Reports are that about 6 a.m., Leroy was standing at his cart along Bond Street when a car drove up and several men alighted with handguns. The man opened gunfire at him, hitting him all over his upper body before speeding off in the said motor vehicle. Lawmen were alerted to the scene and the Leroy was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Investigations are ongoing. A man has died from injuries he sustained when he was hit down by a motor vehicle on the Otrius Bypass Road in St. Anne on Monday. The incident occurred in the vicinity of Buckfield. The deceased is Christopher Arthorn of Charlestown in St. Mary. Reports are that about 12:10 a.m., Arthorn was along the roadway when he was hit by a Land Rover Discovery motor vehicle that was being driven towards St. Mary. He was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The St. Anne police are probing the latest road fatality there, which brings the total number of such fatalities to 12 since the start of the year.